Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys are now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the 3Rivers Market Report with Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams Realty Group for January 15th, 2025. Got up arrows, definitely beating down arrows this week, and got a lot of positivity in the market, which we usually see at the coming of the new year. We'll definitely see more of that coming in February, I believe, when the tax returns come in. That usually sparks that spring season we see in real estate, but it depends on your factors. I always tell everybody it's when it's best for you. We know December and January are statistically the slowest. I did a 20-year study. You think it's good to sell in spring video that covers that 20-year study that showed the only months we know that won't be the top are December and January. Otherwise, it could be any month. February could be our biggest month sold. We never know, but it's always when it's right for you because it's got to be about you. And this report is for you to make sure that you've got all the available information to help you make the best decision possible. And I report, you decide. Week over week, we saw active available inventory down 3%, but up 23% year over year. We saw new listings up 5% week over week, up 3% year over year. Saw solds come in up 4% week over week and up 4% year over year as well. Pendings were up big, 40% week over week, showing a big sign of optimism in the market. That means homes that are going under contract or pending, but down 18% year over year. Median sale price came in at $220,000 over the past 7 days, showing up 1% in appreciation from last year. But last 12 came in at $249,000 median sale price, showing about 6.4% appreciation over the last 12 months. And remember, we've been going up in price for 14 years. Eventually, prices have to stall at some point. Historically, anyways, over the 90 years of data we have since 1934 and development of HUD and FHA, we have to see some stalling or prices to depreciate or go down. Eventually, we foresee this historically, it's going to happen. But we're still on the roller coaster and we're still going up. Days on market did slow up to 34 average, 20 median. And that's versus last year when it was 25 average, 18 median. So it's about the same as last year, a little bit slower. Last 12 months sold were 4,423 homes versus the previous year, 4,254, showing the market's up about 4% last 12 rolling. So we're still moving up, and we're showing to have a balanced market or 6 months inventory, we need about 2,211 and a half homes available for sale. We've only got 540 right now, so we're showing about 4.1 buyers per listing available. So there's still strong demand out there, still a seller's market, but you can navigate it either way depending on what you need to do, depending on your situation. Everyone make it a great day. Reach out to us for a private consult. Grace and peace.